Yes, the case heard by justices earlier today, and that Falmouth doctor telling me he just wants the right to not suffer.
I've had.
Dr. Roger Kligler is suffering from stage 4 prostate cancer. He's pushing in court to legalize medically assisted death.
When I'm at my end of life, the state should back off, and it should be my interest that I am able to limit my suffering to what's tolerable to me.
He and an advocacy group want to allow anyone with 6 months to live to obtain a lethal prescription, both sides going before the state Supreme Judicial Court.
People who want medical aid in dying do not want to die. They just don't want to suffer.
A brief filed by Attorney General Maura Healey's office says doctors could be prosecuted. It says a physician's act of writing a lethal prescription for a patient who uses it to commit suicide constitutes wanton or reckless conduct causing death and may therefore result in prosecution under the common law of involuntary manslaughter. They argue lawmakers should deal with this.
There's no fundamental constitutional right to assistance in suicide, and the policy discussion about the pros and cons of legalization properly belongs in the legislature.
Massachusetts does not have a statute criminalizing assisted suicide or medical aid in dying. Moreover, they do not have a statute that legalizes it.
Dr. Kligler hasn't been given 6 months yet, but believes when he is, he should have a choice.
We all die, and so at the end of our day, I want us to have the option.
Now, in 2012, Massachusetts voters rejected a ballot question for so-called death with dignity. There are bills on Beacon Hill that are proposed, but their future is uncertain. We're live here in Boston. Sharman Sacchetti, WCVB News Center 5.